In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a shell using 5 trebles. So if it is ever assigned to you in a pattern, this is what you're going to do. In the assigned stitch you're going to apply 5 trebles into the same stitch. So your shells can be different sizes. There could be 6, there could be 7, there could be a lot more. It depends on the designer on what they want you to do. So you want to define that. So sometimes if they're using different size shells of different stitches, so they may call it large shell, medium shell, or small shell. It all depends. So once you put your 5 into one, that is your shell, and then you can just jump to another one and just make even more. So this would be how you would do trebles using 5 into the same one to create a shell. Could also be called a fan, and some designers call things really unique names, and this is kind of one of them. So this would be how you would apply this type of idea.